Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make Tom Kha Gai or Thai chicken coconut soup. This food is very tasty, I tell you, I really like it. Okay, for the first, I will show you all the ingredients for Tom Kha Gai. Today I will use 1 kilo of the chicken. I already cut it and wash it nicely, and the next one is chicken stock. I only use for one piece, and the next one is coconut milk. Coconut milk today I will use all of this 450 ml, and galangal 48 gram, lemongrass 48 gram. Both of these 48 gram, the same. And lemongrass, today I already cut like this. You need to cut half, small piece like this, okay? And the next one is lime leaf. Today I use 4 gram. This no need to cut, no need to cut. Shallot 52 gram. And red chilli 19 gram. I already cut the chili like this, already cut and wash it nicely. And dry chili. Dry chili, I told you if you don't like spicy, you no need to put it. But because I like spicy, that's why I put it. So tomato 218 gram. Shimeji mushroom 250 gram. I love it. I love this mushroom. And fish sauce 2 tablespoons. So the next one is chili oil. The same like I told you. If you don't like chili or you don't like spicy, you don't need to put it. Tamarind 6 gram. Okay, I put it here. And lamb and coriander. Okay, after this I will show you all the ingredients here. So first I will add coconut milk 250 ml first, and after that little bit slowly cook for 2 or 3 minutes. Just wait till the coconut is hot. Now coconut milk is already hot, so I will add 700 ml of the water, and after that chicken stock. Okay, after this I will add galangal and lemongrass. Put it. Okay, and shallot 52 gram, and lime leaf, put off 4 gram, and chicken, put 1 shot, 1 kilo. Slowly put. And now I will wait till the chicken is little bit cooked. Take around 5 to 10 minutes. Little bit take out protein foam, because if not your soup will not look beautiful. Now time to add coconut milk. The balanced coconut milk 200 ml, and after that just mix well with the soup. Time to add shimeji mushroom 250 gram and tomato 218 gram. So the next one is fish sauce 2 tablespoons. and tamarind. After this, I will wait 3 or 5 minutes. So now I think the chicken is already cooked. I will add red chili, dry chili, and chili oil. Same like I told you, if you don't like spicy, you no need to put it. But I love it. I love spicy. After I put all the chili, you see, the soup is look very nice. And the last one I put lamb. Finish. Thank you for watching Cook with Kift. Please like and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.